Hey, what's up guys, it's Aaron with 2 Minute Tech, where I do tech reviews fast, and today I'm going to tell you how to eliminate fake news from your life using RSS. These days, there's so many different ways to get news that it can be pretty overwhelming. Between different news apps, Twitter, Facebook, other social media platforms, there's so many different news sources coming at you, it's hard to keep it all straight. And those different news platforms all have their issues. If you're using a news app, it's usually based on an algorithm based on the types of articles that you've looked at. So if you look at lots of articles about Brad Pitt and Jennifer Aniston, you're gonna see a lot more entertainment news versus what's really happening in the world. Twitter can be better, but you have to find the news source that you wanna follow first, and then you're still going to subject yourself to endless scrolling on and on and on forever. And Facebook is an absolute cesspool of misinformation. If you're only getting your news from Facebook, message me after the video, we'll talk. And one of the biggest issues with fake news is that it is everywhere. A recent Pew Research Center study showed that 38% of Americans say they often come across fake news, whereas 51% say they sometimes do. In one way or another, you are hitting fake news almost on a daily basis. But the larger issue that Pew uncovered is that eventually people just stop trusting the news, making it more difficult for them to consume or even accept information. There's a lot of great resources out there that can help you spot fake news. For me personally, I like to use trusted sources that I know and have verified and get my news that way. That's why I use RSS. Now, you may have heard of RSS a long time ago, but it's making a big comeback. RSS stands for Really Simple Syndication, and an easy way to think of what RSS is, it's kind of like your mailbox. You don't go to all the places that you owe money to, like Comcast or Verizon, and go pick up your bill. They deliver them to your mailbox. That's kind of what RSS does. It goes out to the websites and sources that you trust, gets the articles they publish, and puts them into one location for you to easily read. Now, RSS has been around for a really long time, so there's a lot of different apps and services, but there's 3 that I recommend that I'm going to do a deeper dive video on later. Feedbin, Feedly, and Reeder, which is spelled R-E-E-D-E-R. Those are all 3 fantastic apps that I recommend you check out, and like I said, I will do a deeper dive on each one of them in upcoming videos. Guys, check out RSS. I promise it will help you navigate the jungle of fake news that's out there. Also, in the comments below, let me know how you get your news. Maybe there's some different services or apps that I'm not aware of that I should check out. Thanks for watching.